Hi YouTube, I'm THACH and today I'm going to eat like a fish head at the corner of the old market. It is too big and you can find the interesting sauce on the table like a chili, sugar, and this kind of like shrimp pea sauce with a tamarind water. Okay, I think I'm gonna squeeze some lambs. It smells aroma of fish. That is kind of like steamed noodle. Oh, careful, it's hot. That is like chicken feet with fish, and she add some chili on there, and also mushroom, and we call like a dark blood, extra dark blood. Okay. Here. Yes, I also have sauce here. Bánh đãi là hai nữa nè. Tên mà tên như nào? Ở đây. Okay. She make me sauce, and she add like a shrimp pea sauce, tamarind water, a little bit sugar, and she also sweet some lamb for me. Yes, I think I'm gonna have some fresh chili. And a prep chopstick, and I mix it. Oh, it is a little bit smell. It is smell fat, smell delicious, and smell good. Okay, so that is fish head, and I'm gonna go with it first. It's good. That is kind of like fish head, and they have some local herb on there. Yes, that's good. So I'm going to okay. Yes, so that's very good also. Yes. That is sauce, and I add some chili on there. Oh. Wow. That is awesome. The sauce is very good, and the chili is a little bit strong. It is spicy, and the flavor is a little bit salty, a little bit sweet, and also a little bit sour, but that is good. I like it. So I move to with the dark blood. I need to blow it because it is hot. That's good. The blood is so tender. It is like a chili blood, chili dark blood. It is good, and I can smell like they add some chives. Oh yes, that is chive. And it is a little bit oily. That's good. Move here, move here, move here, move on.
Wow.
Oh. Wow. That is fish head, and they add like a lemongrass on the mouth of the fish. It is smell lemongrass. It is smell good. Okay. So I'm gonna take it for you.
Thank you.
And this one is for me. I'm gonna add with sauce and I eat that. Yes. The head of fish is smell lemongrass, smell aromatic, and yes, it's very nice, and I like it. I'm gonna go with fish again. Sauce. It's too strong. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, so I'm picking up lemongrass. It's so clean. The bone is so clean. It's not pork rub. Okay, pretty cool. Yes. Oh. Oh yes, yeah. It is so tender. Yeah. That is fish friend. Oh yeah, pretty full. Okay. And thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to give me thumbs up, click subscribe and comment below. See you in the next video.